Okay, welcome back. So, getting a little work done on the 52. 52, I got that one in my head, don't I? How about the 48? Got some neat seats out of a Jeep. They had bought them and didn't like them. They're going in this one. So, had to raise the steps because we had raised the cab to get the Cummins in there. So, clear the floor and pretty much leave the cab in the stock floor position. So we didn't change the floor very much, about a quarter of an inch, half an inch. So what I did was I measured from the bottom of the door to the brace, and then from the bottom of the door down to the original, where they were originally bolted. That's these running boards right here. Split the differences, so it meant 3 inches in the front, 1.5 inches on the rear, because the braces run uphill to make it level. Now I will weld this one in also, and I just started tacking this one. I'll get it welded in, and then I'll put some metal on both sides to clean it up a little bit, make it look a little better, box it in. Just probably some 16 gauge you got laying around. So okay, so this one's all done. I've already done this one. So it's back in the stock position. You can see it's back into where it's supposed to be. Nice and sturdy. I put my fat butt on it and it held it, so I guess it is fat butt tested. So yeah, let me get this done and I'll shoot another little video on what it looks like when it's through. Dropping carriage bolts down through them. When I let me just show you. When I line this up, the reason I put that bar across is I'll be lining these up. This is why that bar is here. The drill hole will go here. I'll mark it and about here. I gotta get this over and weld it in. And then I'll drill it and put the carriage bolts back down. 7/16 carriage bolts. We'll draw it up nice and tight. And then, of course, I did the rear brakes. Centered the rear end, tightened the U-joints, U-joints down. Well, they're kind of a U-joint, but they are the spring shackles down. And finally, I think I have the fan tightened up where it's good. Still got to work on a holder for the cold air induction breather tube and filter. So yeah, when we do a little bit more work, I'll bring you back. See you soon.